welcome again to my mini series with Sue's Vlog channel. So I just like to share to all of you guys this kind of beautiful white flowers. Actually this is flowers from the apple tree around here sa aking work. So my vlog for today is just like I like to share this beautiful white flower around here. Ang ganda lang tingnan kasi akala ko yan before it was cherry blossom, but unfortunately I was mistakenly. So it's a white flowers from apple trees. All of them is a apple. So pag ano na siya, there will be a time na magbubunga na yung mga apple. So but this time na ano pa lang sila, nagbo-bloom yung mga flowers niya. Ang gandang tingnan. So dito yan sa aking work, malapit sa aking work, pag naglalakad-lakad kami ng alaga ko. So ito yung mga scenario nakikita, and then I captured it and I shared to my vlog. And aside from that guys, sorry, i-share ko din yung aking daily diet for lunch na I usually, very simple. So ayan di ba ang ganda niyang tingnan. Ano lang din yan, ang dami yun magbunga kasi ang daming bulaklak. So sooner or later marami na naman time pipitas yung mga apple around here. Kakain tayo ng pure apple from the trees. Dati nagkukuha din kami dyan pag madami ng mga bunga. So yun lang guys, I think there's nothing I could mention about this. Basta yan, apple white tree na tinatawag. Apple yan bago sila mamunga, namumulaklak muna. Ang ganda nilang tingnan. It's really pure white. So beautiful. And looks so nice. So ayun, sa second part ng video na to guys, I share about my healthy lunch I did, and that's all. I just like to share this one on my blog here, especially to my channel, so that we could really show how beautiful the flowers. So ayan, at actually lang ako nag-voice over dito kasi nga wala akong masabi. So ayun, thank you by the way sa palaging panonood ng aking mga vlog. Make sure na naka-bell on guys para naman updated tayo sa ating mga sinishare na video sa ating channel. So ayan, and of course thank you sa lahat. So ayan guys, nagprepare ako ng white fish. Yan pang ating lulutuin para sa aking lunch. And siya, I don't know how do you call this kind of fish, dinorado, parang ganon. So it's white, siya, white fish na tig marinate ko na siya sa black pepper, and ipapry lang natin siya sa non-sticky na and walang mantika akong gagamitin, or I will not gonna use some oil for it. I just want to be just like that kasi na-marinate naman na siya. So ayan, kakat din ako guys ng aking salad na gustong kainin na ipapartner natin sa ating fish, which is meron akong tig-get ready ng isang bell pepper, isang tomato, big tomato, a few pieces of cucumber, and some spinach. I really love to eat spinach every day. So ayan na guys, tapos na ang aking lunch na i-get ready ko na sa aking plate, and ayan na yung ating ginawang salad na tig-mixed ko. I-sprinkle na lang natin ng olive oil, black pepper, and something herb for more taste, and salt of course. So ayan, ito na yung magiging lunch ni Sue's Vlog, and pupunta na tayo sa ating table sa labas, doon sa aking living room, which is doon ako kakain. So, ayan ang ating tig fry na fish. Actually, hindi siya fry. So, ayan na guys, nandito tayo sa aking tiny table. And of course, ayan na yung aking finished product na salad. And ayun, cheers guys. Cheers para sa nakakapagod magluto actually. So, that's all for today's video guys. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoy watching for my simple vlog for today from Sue's Vlog. Thanks for watching. Bye.